everyone, today I would like to show you these super cute flameless candles night lights. I love the design, looks so cute. So comes with remote controller. You can set timer 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours, and you can adjust the bright so it's dimmable. Alright, and this is the second one. Let's see. You can use it in your house, next to your door. Here's the switch on and off. Alright, let's wait until nighttime. I will plug in and I will show you how it's. And this is how it's look like nighttime. So cool. Perfect for stairs, for bathroom, bedroom. I will leave it for my dog. You can adjust it. Perfect, not too bright, but enough to find the exit or stairs. Looks cute. And one I place it in my bathroom. Super cool. It's completely dark right now. Let me turn it off. As you see. Perfect. Looks like real candles. Without battery, don't have to charge it, just plug into the outlet. And you can always use the remote controller to change the light, to set up timer. Can make it more brighter or lighter. Perfect. Guys, I will send these cute night lights for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. I love the quality. It comes with a remote controller, looks so cute and perfect for nighttime. You can always buy them on Amazon.